In this video, I'll be showing you how to hide your online status on WhatsApp. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video useful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you might not want people seeing when you were last online or to see when you're online, as they might be expecting a message, and it can be quite annoying, especially if you have, let's say, work colleagues on WhatsApp, and let's say your manager is messaging you expecting a reply. If they can't see when you were last online and they can't see when you are online, it's probably for the best. So all you want to do is, once you have WhatsApp open, go over to your settings area. You're going to see a bunch of different options, but the one that you want to click on is privacy, which is right under account. Once you hit privacy, you're going to see a lot of different options once again, and you want to click the very top where it says last seen and online. You click that, it's going to show who can see my last seen: everyone, my contacts except, or nobody. So if you wanted people to last see where you were online, but there were like a select few people who you didn't want seeing that you were online, you could press my contacts except and select people. But if you want absolutely no one to see when you were online, just press nobody right there. And where it says who can see when I'm online, if you want that private as well, just press same as last seen.